Welcome to your dream home in the tranquil village of Ostritsa. This charming property is a true gem, boasting 3 cozy bedrooms, a well-maintained bathroom, a separate toilet, a spacious kitchen and dining room, and an expansive basement that holds endless possibilities, making it the perfect canvas for creating your very own tavern or entertainment area. From the moment you lay eyes on this home, you'll be captivated by its sturdy construction. The house stands on solid stone foundations and features double-crossed, handmade solid brick walls, giving it a timeless and enduring quality. The recently inspected and well-maintained roof ensures your peace of mind and a secure shelter for years to come. The practicality of modern living is seamlessly integrated into this charming property. It's connected to central electricity, the main water supply, and boasts fast optic cable internet, making it easy for you to stay connected with the world. Inside, the house is designed for your comfort and convenience. Every room is equipped with air conditioning systems, ensuring a pleasant climate throughout the year. The bathroom is in excellent condition, and new plumbing has been installed in the kitchen, providing you with modern amenities. The windows and doors have been upgraded to high-class PVC double glazing, ensuring energy efficiency and insulation. The entrance doors even have integrated small doors for pets, making it a welcoming place for your furry companions. Outside, you'll find a spacious 700 square meter garden that offers room for your creativity to flourish. The property is situated at the end of the village, providing a quiet and serene environment, as well as excellent privacy. The village itself is a haven away from pollution, offering breathtaking views and pristine, healing air. If you enjoy fishing, you'll be pleased to know that a river is within walking distance, perfect for leisurely afternoons by the water's edge. Surrounded by stunning natural beauty, this property is an ideal starting point for leisurely walks and outdoor adventures. Take in the picturesque landscapes and discover the tranquility that defines life in this village. This remarkable property won't be available for long, so don't hesitate. Contact us as soon as possible to seize this amazing opportunity to make this house your home in the heart of nature. Your dream lifestyle awaits in this idyllic setting.